Hi friend, you are an AK100 engineer at your computers. Today I want to show you that how you want to format your itel. This itel, I have a code pattern. I forget the code. This is a itel 1503. So I want to show you that how you want to format it if you forget your password. So already when you put your battery, just using your power and volume up and volume down, what each one the one that you like. Yeah, we have this itel. Yeah, sometimes you have a problem because of if you want to format the itel, sometimes itel is not show formatting place. So my brother, I want to show you that how you want to format your itel today. If you want to format it, press the power and then press the volume down, and then come out your hand from power. Just hold the down volume, don't remove your hand, volume down. If you look at the itel cannot go formatting place. I remove my battery again, and then you press volume down together, and then come out your hand, your power is your volume down. Yes, my brother, if you look here, the phone was showing that not common. Just press here, is press down. If you look at, we have a factory setting. If you go to factory wafing data factory setting and then enter, go to down clearing. If you go to down, this is a formatting area. If you press, the phone was starting formatting. Just wait a few minutes. If you look here, the phone was showing that formatting complete. It was showing data Wi-Fi complete. Just select reboot again, press the power, and then the phone was rebooting by itself. Just wait a few minutes, like 3 minutes or 4 minutes, sometime fasting 5 minutes sef. So if you wait it, your phone is Wi-Fi. So my brother, if you look here, as this phone was formatted, and then you can go this major sort of, then press skip again, press skipping again, skip, and then skip again. Allow to speak skipping, go fresh, go fresh. Wait is wow. Now your phone was formatted as everything is working. So my brother, don't forget, if you want to more information how to repair your system, software and hardware, subscribe my channel at YouTube, Writing Ario Computers, and then subscribe my channel. The register is free. If you want to more information, this phone is have a problem, code problem, pattern problem, and data resetting problem. So if your phone is not working normally, if you want to format it, just subscribe my channel at YouTube. Thank you and watch my videos. Thank you. Comment. Just press here, is press down. If you look at, we have a factory setting. If you go to factory wiping data factory setting and then enter, go to down clearing. If you go to down, this is a formatting area. If you press the phone was starting formatting, just wait a few minutes. If you look here, the phone was showing that formatting complete. It was showing data wiping complete. Just select reboot again, press the power, and then the phone was rebooting by itself. Just wait a few minutes, like 3 minutes or 4 minutes, sometime passing 5 minutes sef. So if you wait it, your phone is wiping. So my brother, if you look here, as this phone was formatted, and then you can go this major sort of, then press skip again, press skipping again, skip, and then skip again. Allow to speak skipping. Go fresh, go fresh. Wait is wow. Now your phone was formatted as everything is working. So my brother, don't forget, if you want to more information how to repair your system, software and hardware, subscribe my channel at YouTube, writing Ario Computers, and then subscribe my channel. The register is free. If you want to more information, this phone is have a problem, code problem, pattern problem, and data resetting problem. So if your phone is not working normally, if you want to format it, just subscribe my channel at YouTube. Thank you and watch my videos. Thank you.